cleaning with well water. If you know, you know. Every Wednesday, I bring you a mess from my home that would make anyone say, "What the fuck?" and offer you an eco-friendlier alternative to cleanup. It's a triple W Wednesday, a well water what the fuck Wednesday. I grew up on well water and scrubbing iron buildup off of this very tub, as a matter of fact, since I'm visiting family. I learned that if I didn't stay on top of it, I was either going to have to work really hard next time, or I was going to have to pull out some heavy-duty chemicals and prepare to have my senses assaulted by harsh fumes. Fast forward 30 years, through learning about the lack of U.S. government chemical safety regulations, manipulative greenwashing tactics by big brands, and the fact that I personally do not have the time or patience to forego consumerism and DIY my own cleaning products, to finally finding a brand, not just a product, but a whole brand with a mission to share a cleaner, safer way of living by reducing harmful chemicals in everyday lives. A brand that few people know about, a company that specializes in environmentally friendly swaps for the biggest chemical hard hitters you bring into your home. To see what I used in this video, read the caption and follow for eco-friendlier cleaning content.